Lieutenant Joe from Proud American as he taxis by his FA-18 Hornet. The Harrier's takeoff technique is demonstrated along with its other unique maneuvering characteristics are made possible through the use of 4 movable nozzles, located 2 on each side of the aircraft. The pilot is able to control the direction of thrust by positioning these 4 movable nozzles. At your far right, you will see the Harrier coming in for the traditional low pass. Get your cameras ready. The Harrier is capable of quick acceleration to speeds approaching 600 knots. Once again, travel away to the high T-turn. The movable exhaust nozzle can be directed aft for conventional flight as you just saw, intermediate position for short takeoff and short landing, and straight down for vertical flight. As the pilot approaches, he will execute what is called a brake. During this speed, the pilot will decelerate from 500 knots to 0 knots, utilizing the movable thrust nozzle. The pilot directs engine to lead air through reaction control nozzles located at the wingtip, nose, and tail. Maintain control. That's the 500 knot rate, slowing down now to 0 airspeed. Watch as Major Martin decelerates his aircraft by selecting the nozzles pull down and deliberately overshooting his hover position in order to demonstrate the Harrier's capability to move backwards in the air. The AV-8B is capable of operating from remote sites in close proximity to friendly forces, to perform a vertical landing to most any prepared surface. Now, if we had concrete out here for these runways, we'd be able to show you a straight vertical landing from the hover. But because of the asphalt and the high temperatures in the exhaust, it actually melt the runway. So you'll see him perform not a vertical landing, but a slightly run-on landing. I'm getting all this said now because once the Harrier is in front of you, you're not going to hear anything except the incredible Pegasus power, Rolls-Royce Pegasus power, AV-8B Harrier of your United States Marine Corps. That's the run-on landing we were talking about. You may have noticed to this day in modern engines, and this is a very, very modern, high-performance engine. There was some black smoke coming out of the nozzles in that downward position. You can see them moving back and forth from forward to aft, straight down and slightly out, as he hovered the aircraft. The reason you saw that dark smoke coming out, but not all the time, was because they inject water into the engine to keep the temperatures under control. So if they run out of water, then you'll stop seeing that dark smoke coming out. The water cools things down, allows higher pressures inside the engine, allows it to produce its maximum amount of thrust of 26,000 pounds of thrust. Demonstration would not be possible without the hard work and dedication of the Aircraft Maintenance Marine. They include Gunnery Sergeant Tom, Sergeant Reed, Sergeant James, Corporal Pratt, Corporal Carver, Corporal Mudrecker. AV-8B Harrier 2, second generation vertical short takeoff and tall, light attack engine, utilized by the United States Marine Corps. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our aerial demonstration. In closing, I'd like to say that it would be impossible to find a Harrier pilot who would not concede that the Harrier is the most rewarding aircraft he's flown. 2nd Marine Aircraft Wing takes great pride in having you share some of this excitement today. Please put your hands together for the incredible AV-8B Harrier!
Oh yeah, great demonstration, Larry, and I love the way you described it word for word during the hover. It's a little hard to hear. That is one noisy airplane, but what a great place to watch it here at the Quonset National Guard Base. I've seen that demo quite a few times. I think that's the best demo I've ever seen. It's right here in front of you.
It's right there in your face and in your ears.
And we got Michael Goulian coming up next. He's going to be flying his Castle-powered airplane, and that's going to be very exciting. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our friends at Applebee's, something good in the neighborhood, taking care of us for our food needs.
Okay, now watch closely. Maybe we're going to get talking to our air boss here. We may be able to get another run-on takeoff before he comes back for his final landing. Again, he can't make a vertical takeoff in this aircraft, but because of the runway conditions, he is going to make another rolling takeoff. But look how short this is going to be. He's going to position the nozzles in the intermediate position. Full power on. The takeoff run will be less than 50 feet at about 100 knots. Let's watch.
a high-performance vertical takeoff. As we said, because of the runway conditions, not able to do that right from the ground, but he could do that straight from the ground up. A vertical climb, retract the gear, and up he goes. Incredible AV-8B Harrier. Its primary mission is to provide responsive close air support to the ground forces. This single-piloted advanced V-stalled aircraft can operate from short fields, forward sights, roads, and surfaces, providing minimum response time to targets.
Much better.
If you have not purchased one of the souvenir programs, I urge you to do so. They are available in many places throughout the Midway. It's a great program. It has lots of great information in there about all of the aircraft and performers that you are seeing here today. It also has lots of advertisements in there. And I know that you already patronize many of these businesses. What I'd like you to do is stop in, like stop in the salon and automobiles and say thank you to the sponsor, National Guard Open House Airshow. Because folks like you, the run-on landing of the AV-8B Harrier 2. And Larry, while I get a chance, I'd like to thank everybody over at NBC 10. Storm Team did a great job of keeping the weather good for us here today.